Hello, thank you for tuning in. Today we have a demonstration and test of this vintage German manual conical burr coffee grinder made by Dienes PeDe, made in the 1930s, and as you can see, in very nice condition, really quite amazingly good condition considering how old it is. The model number is a 613, and you can even see the price. It was 5.85 Deutschmarks in the late 1930s, and it's also got a merchant stamp there from Zwickau, which I think is near Leipzig, and in fact I bought it from somebody in Zwickau, so it's not travelled very much at all in its life. And I think the difference maybe for the 610s I've seen have a wooden drawer, whereas this has a plastic drawer. You can also see on the base it says with a Solida mechanism, that is the Dienes ball bearing mechanism of this period. Right, let's see how it does. We're going to take 7 grams of beans and we're going to see how the grinder does, both in terms of consistency of grind and speed. So first of all, we just get the burrs just touching. And let's go. About 35 turns there. Let's have a look at the consistency of the grind. It's a fine grind. Yeah, fine grind. Not the finest, but still could be described as powdery and still, as you can see, fine enough to compact. So there we go. Dienes 613. And here's another nice thing about this grinder, which is the scoop-shaped drawer. So as you can see, designed to pour the coffee from this corner, and if we, it actually works quite well. Thank you very much for watching. Feel free to have a look at the links at the end of the video and in the description, and happy grinding.